Virgin Records hires me to play guitar with the Newcastle Symphony Orchestra on a performance of Tubular Bells, the big hit of the moment. The support act is a local group called Last Exit, who have a bass player who calls himself Sting. 2 weeks later, I return to Newcastle for another gig and meet a drummer in a band called Curved Air. His name is Stewart Copeland. 2 months after that, I get asked to do a session as a practice run for a one-off show in Paris. By a weird coincidence, the other two musicians turn out to be Sting and Stewart. The session really gets going when Sting starts into a song called Visions of the Night. We take a break and Stewart tells me that he and Sting and a guitarist named Henry Padovani have started a punk band called The Police. I feel strange about the punk movement. That's not what I am. But Stewart tells me that at this moment in London, to survive in music, you must be punk.
How long will you keep it? It's so harvest, but what's it worth? There's no one left to reap it.
We do the gig in Paris, and together we're on fire. Sting and I agree that I should be in the Police, but, I tell him, not with another guitarist. They have to make that decision. Back in London, I get on the train with thoughts about the Police and the conversation with Sting buzzing in my head. It's a risk because this band is nowhere. No record deal, no future, no money. But as I get off the train, Stewart also gets out from the next carriage down. We laugh at this weird coincidence and then have an intense conversation. Within short order, the Police, as the world knows the band, is born.